that's going to piss everybody off. If I start it on the driveway, it sets the car alarm off, so yeah. So, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's, as you can tell, it's dark out. I've just remounted my GoPro on my helmet slightly differently. I've taken out an attachment, so it's kind of closer to the face of my GoPro. It's directly on the chin mount as opposed to having like an extender arm on it. I've also changed around a few settings just out of curiosity to see what the picture's like at night. And if you've seen my most recent video regarding fixing the dreaded GoPro audio pops and crackles, I'm obviously experimenting with that lead again in a different adjustment of volume, so we'll see how that pans out. I'm absolutely bored shitless at home, so I thought I'd go for a little ride. There might not be too much talking in this video, so I hope you enjoy the sound of the bike anyway. So come Sunday, on Mother's Day, the clocks go forward again. So obviously that's going to give us another hour light in the evenings, which means we're closer to bike season. I mean, arguably some people say it's bike season now, but you get my gist. You can actually make the most of the evenings a bit more. I love it when it gets lighter in the evenings. Everyone's out when it's warm. Saying that, I'm gonna go this way. So while I'm here, show you that I've taken off my rear pegs. I've not got a blanking plate for it yet, but I put the 2 bolts back in. How much tidier does that look with no rear pegs? So much cleaner. Sexy bit of kit. Can't work out as a cyclist, isn't it? Yeah. This isn't the kind of bike you want going through your town or village late at night. It's not late right now, but my point being, it is so loud. It is really stupidly loud. I mean, I love it, but I know for a fact piss me off if I was asleep and I got woken up. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd look out the window first and see what kind of bike it is and probably appreciate it for 2 to 3 seconds and then, you know, want to go back to bed. But this is the kind of bike that's just going to wake people up at night. I'm glad I've got a car as well because, well, saying that, I used to have an Audi RS3 and a Focus ST, and both had silly exhausts on, and every morning, that was my only car, it was my daily. But having to having to turn that on in the morning at like 7:30, 7 o'clock every morning, I genuinely felt bad for my neighbours, and I know it'd be the exact same for this if I had to ride this to work every day. This wouldn't be fun. It does actually make me feel a bit bad, I'm not going to lie. I've got nice neighbours, I don't want to make enemies. Massive rock then. Tell you what, actually, let's go through Camborne Town Bay. Good old Seabourne. I literally moved out the way as if I was going to ride into him then. I mean, obviously the camera won't do justice, but through this like bit of road it is so loud because the exhaust tone is resonating off the walls either side. Dog, all the collection for you. Got to say though, it's not particularly cold this evening, which is nice. There's not any wind either. wasn't paying attention then at all. Fuck me, those potholes are massive. Come on, Cormac, up your game, mate. So bad. There's actually massive potholes absolutely everywhere. That fresh air is so nice. I apologise if it's sounding really windy, but man, that air is good. This is a 20 now. Since when was this a 20? Don't know. mate. Neutral was actually the shittest thing to find on this kind of bike. My Gixxer was way better than that for finding neutral. What we're doing? Well, I'm definitely not as bored anymore. You can't get bored of riding something like this, honestly. It's just too much fun. In any gear, it's too much fun. The sound, the feel, everything about it. Guys, if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Peace.